Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to find out if the given year is a leap year or not. Okay. So we'll write a MATLAB program and we'll identify whether any years that is given is a leap year or not. So let us say y is a variable which is going to take my years. Okay. So I'll put 1990 and we'll try to find out whether this is a leap year. So you all know if an year is divisible by 4 simply, then we can roughly say that it is leap year, right? And we have some other rules as also, like if it is a century, then we have to identify divide it by 400 and then we have to identify. So we'll just write down this program and understand whether the given year is a leap year. So what we'll do, if we'll try to like utilize mod function. So mod will give you the remainder. Okay, so mod of y comma 4, because 4 is the like value which we are going to divide. So if the remainder is 0, like mod of y comma 4, that is year comma 4, so it will be divided by 4, is going to give you 0. Then what we can do, we can say that this is a leap year, right? So shall we write it down directly? Printf we'll do one thing, we'll do percentage d so that the year is taken, okay, into account y. Okay, so percentage d is a leap year, that's all, slash n, and we'll take argument as y. Else we'll say printf percentage d is not a leap year. Okay, is not a leap year. Okay, and then we'll end the statement. So let us save the program, leap year, and once we run it, it is going to tell it is not a leap year, right? So as you can see, 1990 divided by 4, you can see this is not a integer number, so that's the reason it is telling it is not a leap year definitely. Now we'll try to incorporate some of the more functionality inside it. Since what happens is, if it is divisible by 100, then we have to check it with 400 as well. So what we'll do is, we'll try to incorporate that. So if mod of y comma 100 is equal to 0, right? Then what we'll say, we have to check definitely if mod of y comma 400 is also 0 or not, right? So if this is 0, then we will say that it is a leap year. Okay, first what we did mod y comma 4, then mod y comma 100, and if y comma 100 is there, then definitely it should have y comma 400, then only we can say that it is a leap year. Okay, so it is done. Else we will say else we will say that it is not a leap year. Understood? Now we'll end the statement. So this if is ended. Now if mod y comma 100 is not equal to 0, then we can say directly that this is a leap year, right? Because it was already there, right? So what we'll say, this one, else this is a leap year. Okay, and this we will end. And what is going to happen? Else this is not a leap year. So you have understood now, like we have y comma 100 is 0, then we have to check with 400, then only it will be leap year, else it will not be leap year, that is there. Okay, so else it will not be a leap year, and at last when it is not divided by 4, it is not a leap year. Now let us just check with 2000. So year 2000 is a leap year or not? So year 2000 is a leap year. Year 2004 is a leap year or not? So you can see year 2004 is a leap year. Let us say 21st century will be a leap year or not? So we can see 21st century is not a leap year. Okay, I don't know why it is taking 21st only. Okay, we have to understand here. Yes, so in mod what we are seeing is whatever is remaining like variable, that only is being taken. Okay, so quotient is taken as the result. You can see mod of 2100 comma 4. So this is going to give you 0. Okay, but still it is not a leap year because it is not divisible by 400. Okay, so that's the thing. So if you do have any questions regarding this, you can put down your comments in the comment box. However, we'll just make one more thing here. We'll take y as input from the user. So input enter year. Okay, so the user will enter an year and that will be stored in y, and this is how we will be simulating this program. Okay, so what we will do, let us run this program and we are going to see it is asking for enter an year. Okay, so what will happen, let us say 2010. So 2010 is not a leap year. Okay, so this is how you can run this program. So if you do have any queries regarding this, you can put down your questions in the query box and we shall be able to give you some answers. Thank you.